The 45-degree lean away wide grip lat pull down is an exercise that targets the muscles in the back. With this lat pull down variation, you lean your upper torso further back compared to the more upright 30-degree lat pull down. By leaning your upper torso back to a 45-degree angle, you place more emphasis on the lower lats and middle back compared to the traditional 30-degree angle, which targets the upper back and upper lats. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach your wide grip bar to the lat pull down machine. Before starting, adjust the seat so your feet are flat on the floor and position the knee pad to ensure your legs are securely held down when seated. Stand up and grasp the bar with an overhand outside shoulder width wide grip with your palms facing away from you. Sit back down on the seat while holding the bar. Lean back to 45 degrees while keeping your arms extended. Before you complete a rep, pull your shoulder blades back and down, puffing out your chest and keeping your back straight. Your arms should be fully extended with a slight bend at the elbows, maintaining tension in your lats. Inhale as you pull the bar down towards your upper chest. Focus on driving your elbows down and back rather than just pulling with your arms or using momentum or swinging your body to pull the bar down. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement to maintain stability. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and engage your lats as you pull the bar down. Hold for a brief moment to squeeze your lats hard, then exhale as you slowly extend your arms back to the starting position while maintaining the 45-degree angle with your torso. Complete the desired number of reps, ensuring each rep is performed with control and proper form. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.